Hi everyone! So this is my tutorial for my 3D hemisphere center, or since it's half of a sphere, that's why I call it hemisphere. Initially I called it semisphere, and then I googled what's the half of a sphere and then hemisphere. That's why the name. Okay, so where do we start? So the bundle that I currently have, I currently have in Etsy, contains three sizes. So we have the more rounded one, the more flat one, and then the smaller rounded one. So how many cardstock do we need really, and then what are the other materials that we need for us to be able to begin? So basically for this sizes, the diameter of this is 4.6 inches. I use 2 cardstocks, and then for this, 1 cardstock is enough. So, and then I'm going to use this fast dry glue from Aleene's. You can also use glue gun, but they can tend to be kind of pretty messy. But again, if you just like place a little bit of like glue gun in it, then it's really not noticeable. Anyway, so before we begin, let us examine first the components of our hemisphere. So we have lines going in horizontally, and then we have lines going in vertically, and then there are 7 lines per direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then for the horizontal one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have let's call it the top, since it's going in from the top, just going in from the top. And then we have the bottom, which is going in from the bottom. So I will lay this down first. So the pattern is numbered. So it has 1, 2, 3, and then you have 4. So it's based on the numbers of circles that indicates it. So what is number 1? Number 1 is your center. Okay, take note of this. This can be like, it might look like technical, but it's not really. It's more of just guides, okay? So your 1 is your center. So you only have one for each direction. And then your number 2 is the one beside it, which is this one. So from 2 to 4, you have 2 pieces each number. So for the bottom one, you have 1 1, 2 2s, 2 3s, and 2 4s. Okay, and then for the top one, you also have 1 1s, and then two pieces for the rest. So for the top 2, and then top 3, and then top 4, you have 2 pieces each. Because I'm just gonna like reiterate this, because you have 1 1, 2 2s, 2 3s, and then 2 4s. It's also the same as your bottom. So you have 1 1, 2 2s, 2 3s, and then 2 4s. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 2 as well, this is your 3, and this is your 4. Okay, so let us begin to assemble. So grab your glue with you. So grab your 2 number 1s. Okay, so your top 1 and then your top 2. So the assembly will begin from the center and then will go outwards. Okay, so grab your again, your top one, then top two. Sorry, bottom one. So I haven't done this before. I'm just gonna do it now. But let's I think for this one it worked. Anyway, so you're gonna put your glue here. So that's why I highly suggest glue, so that you know it can dry and then you won't be able to really see the glue. Okay, and then we're gonna do an alternate from top, two tops and then two bottoms. Okay, so grab your number two, top twos, and then place glue in between, and then place it, insert it. So basically, they're meeting in the middle. And then grab your bottom twos. So this would go, so 1, 2, 3. We're gonna place glue in the middle. Let's try to place it in the bottom. Okay, that was easier. And then your top threes. Top bottom threes. So this would go here. Top fours. So I'm just putting glue in the bottom of the hole, or of the slit, sorry. So it goes here. And then your last two. Last one. Yay. Okay. Now, grab your flower. And then in the bundle, there are two circles that are included. You can choose between the smaller one or the larger one, or you can resize them if you want a smaller or larger ones compared to the ones or the default ones. So I'm going to choose a larger one. So you can put in glue gun with melted glue, or you can just put your white glue, turbo glue. And again, you can choose here melted glue gun, or you can choose this, place on the points where they meet. Sorry about that. It's like a waffle, right? Kind of resembles a waffle. And then you can put it like this, and then tada, you have your hemisphere center. Yep. So thanks for watching. The bundle again are composed of the smaller one, this size, and then more flatter one, and they're available in my Etsy shop. So check out my Etsy shop, Deaney Weaney Blooms, etsy.com/shop/Deaney Weaney Blooms, or you can check out my website, deaneyweanieblooms.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.